How does it work? Because with electricity...
Now, you have two elements. It's never work together. Work one by one. First work the top one, and then work the bottom one.
Yeah.
The temperature is 120, between 120 and 125 degrees. And the ring company recommended is don't touch the thermostat, don't make it hot, because sometimes kids burn the skin and a lot of problems.
Okay.
It's a good temperature for dishwasher, for shower, and safe temperature. What is your question?
My question is this. How does it work? Because you said something about the electricity.
Yeah, don't you have to drain it? Don't we have to drain it?
Twice a year, I didn't see any sediments in the old one, but just in case, if you want, twice a year, hook up the guardian hose in this valve, this a handle, and turn this handle on left. Don't touch this valve. Let's stay on. Just in case you can shut the breaker off and let flush it up like 5-10 minutes. If you have a sediment inside, go outside. Because if you build the sediments like that, you pay double electrical bill. Also, you make the tank double longer. Nothing about the electricity. I wanna find the breaker. That's why I spend time. Let me show you now. You see, the whole breaker is on this way.
Yeah.
But this is on other way.
Okay.
I don't know why. Like that it's off. Should be on in this side and off this side. And when I come here, I shut off and this side and over there make a short. You know?
Yeah.
That's it.
Let me get out.
So is it working right now?
Yeah, it's working. You can.
So let's try now to see some hot water.
Okay, turn the hot water on in the lavatory and come here. This is a cold water. This is a hot water. Now let's hit
hot, hot and cold.
Yeah, but touch this pipe now. See, it's warm.
Yeah.
It's cold.
Okay.
It's coming. Next, like 30 minutes, hot water.
Okay.
Alright. Anything else?
If this has a warranty, do we have a paperwork to sign, or you leave a paperwork that we can show the?
You sign. That lady signing for me for 1 year warranty for my installation.
Yeah.
You have 6 years warranty in the tank right here, and all other information I received is all information my company will mailing next 35 business days.
Okay.
That's it. I gotta go. I have more job.
Hey, what's your name?
Speedy.
Speedy? You said Nigel.
Nigel, but they call me. My nickname is Speedy.
Where you from, Nigel?
Bulgaria.
Yeah, I noticed. You got Nigel Buganarov. Bulgarian. Good job, Nigel.
Thank you.
Nice. Hey, dirty hands, but nice to meet you. I'll see you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Bye, Nigel.
We can finally have hot shower.
I appreciate it.
Thank God Mommy wasn't home.
Yes. Yes.
To create problems. Yeah. Oh, y'all so man. It's their job.
Speak for yourself.
We don't have to listen to all kind of conspiracy theories. And you go get the mail. I'm pretty sure he's...
Oh, make sure he gets what's inside the mailbox, too.
What do you mean?
That was not a cheap job.
How much it cost to do all that?